Hello guys, I'm outside again and try to tweak my PolarStar gun to the limits with a rate of fire. I will write the settings down below if you want to check them out. So this is the tank pressure, and the regulator is just over 120 psi. So let's see how fast it shoots. Okay, so rounds each second. Let's see. 71.4, 66.6, 76.9, 62.5, 76.9, 71.4, 71.4, 71.4, 76.9, 71.4, 71.4. Okay, let's see how they fly. Not too bad actually. Some just flies really weird, but it's working fine. But I do not recommend this. I mean, the fusion engine, it can handle it, but don't blame me if it breaks. I'm using like 35 rounds a sec when I'm playing at the most. I don't feel I need any more than that. Otherwise you have to change mag like all the times. Okay. Maybe in the future I might be able to get it to shoot even faster, but for now 71.4 is about the most continuous I can get out of it. Okay, thanks for watching, comment, rate, subscribe, and have a nice day. See ya.